In this video, I'm going to show you how I make oven roasted baby potatoes in the Instant Pot. I start out with this little bag of baby potatoes that I picked up in my grocery store, and I'm going to put them in my handy dandy Instant Pot. You're going to love how easy this is. I start out by thoroughly washing the potatoes in my sink. You want to make sure that they're totally clean because I do leave the skins on. And then I take a fork and prick each potato individually. This is an important step because if you don't prick the potato, the steam can't escape and you might have an explosion. So once all my potatoes are prepped, I peeled and sliced some shallots to go in. I used about 6 tablespoons of butter. I've added my favorite Himalayan salt and fresh ground pepper. And just everything goes right into your Instant Pot. And now I'm going to add the liquid component. I always use veggie stock. You could use water, you could use chicken stock, whatever it is that you like. And now I'm adding some freshly cut rosemary that I grow in my garden. For potatoes, I always do the slow release method to ensure that everything is thoroughly cooked. And look at how that potato just falls apart on the plate. Isn't that amazing? That's like a little baby Yukon Gold potato, and oh my goodness, it's so good. I don't add any further butter or salt or pepper because everything that I added in the cooking process has flavored the potatoes. Now I will take some of the pan drippings that are still in the Instant Pot and drizzle that over top of the potatoes. But gosh, they're just so good. That is a baby red potato, and look at how soft and creamy that is. The old method that I used to cook these potatoes would be to boil a giant pot of water on the stove and then put the potatoes in and just boil the daylights out of them. It took a long time and I wound up with inconsistent results and flavorless potatoes. But this way, I have delicious potatoes with all these wonderful soft shallots. You can also use garlic. That's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoy seeing this recipe, and I will see you in the next video.